Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam. And this is Arnav Vichnani. And today we will be learning input and output functions. Input and output. Input, it means to feed some data into a program. It can be anything like character, string, floating point number, or float numbers, double, etc. An input can be given in the form of a file or from the command line. Output. It means to display some data on screen, printer, or in any file. The standard files. C programming treats all the devices as files. GetChar function. The int getChar void function reads the next available character from the screen and returns it as an integer. Putchar function. The int putchar integer C function puts the passed character on the screen and returns the character. These functions read or put only single character at a time. As you can see in the example, we have declared an integer c, then we have passed a statement with the output function printf, enter a value. Then we are taking the input from get character, then output function u entered, and then we are printing the output using putchar, and then we are returning the program. For example, if I return and enter a value or no, and the output is you entered A. When the above code is compiled and executed, it waits for the input text or the input. After pressing enter program, the program proceeds and reads single character. Scanf function. The int scanf constant character format function reads the input stream standard input and scans that input according to format. Printf function. The printf constant char format function writes the output to the standard output stream standard output and produces the output according to the format. The format can be simple constant string, but we can specify %s, %d, %c, %f, etc. to print or read data. For example, in this program, we declared a string with 100 values, 100 places, and integer I. Then we are taking the values from the user by using scanf function, %s and %d. And the output we are writing in the same format, percentages and percentage d followed by string and I, and then we are returning the program. For example, in string I have written 6 and for output I have written 7, and the same output is shown in the text you entered. In this mentioned example, here it should be noted that scanf expects input in the same format as we provided, that is %s and %d, which means we have to provide valid inputs like string integer. If we provide string string or integer integer, then it will be assumed as wrong input. Thank you for your attention, and the notes will be available in the drive link attached in the description box.